Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the C7 Corvette. This happens to be a 2016 Stingray, but any C7 Corvette will work, and those are the years from 2014 through 2019 that this will cover. So what do you do in a car like this where everything is power, the door locks, the rear hatch, basically everything is power to get in the car or out of the car? What do you do if the battery dies? Let me show you. It's very simple. The first thing you're going to do is find the button on your remote. It's right here just underneath the button to open the rear hatch that says hold right there. You're going to hold that down and then you can pull out the key. This key is going to be inserted into a lock that's located just above the rear license plate holder, just to the right and above the license plate. You'll open the rear hatch by inserting that and turning it. The rear hatch opens and you can go to the next step. Once you have completed that step, you can open the rear hatch, and just on the inside, on the left-hand side of the rear cargo area, you will find a release that you simply pull on, and that will open the driver's side door, and you're able to get into the vehicle from the doors if you need to. If you're inside the car and the battery dies, there are also releases located on the inside of the driver and passenger side doors. On the floor, you just reach down, pull up on those, and those will open the doors as well. If you like this video, guys, let me know, and I'll do more tutorial videos here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel. I appreciate your time. Make sure to hit that like button. That helps more people to see this video and to tell YouTube that it needs to be put in front of more people. I really appreciate your support of what I'm doing here. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you next time on Vehicle Visionary.